So this is the pedal boat where we can need to pedal here, and we have a handle which decides the direction, which side to go and so on. So you can use this to steer, and this is kind of an accelerator. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Traveling Tour. Today we are planning to go to Hyde Park, which is in London, and planning to do a pedal boating. Let's see if we get an opportunity. The weather is really good today, so if we don't get an opportunity, we'll get into a solar boat, which is one of the main attractions in Hyde Park. See you there. Bye.
Hey, hi everyone. So we just reached Hyde Park. So now we are going to find where the boating is. So
There is a queue. We're waiting for the queue. You can see, I think this is the place where we can get into the boat. So that's the entry point. Get into the boat.
how are you guys today? You good?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Shall I?
Yeah. So steering is the silver bar in the middle. Left will go right opposite way, and then go smoke on and then on that, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Yeah. We have got into the pedal boat. Malu, how are you feeling?
Nice. Just started, so hopefully we'll let you know how it goes after an hour.
We left from there, and yeah, we've got for 1 hour, so we will explore wherever, whichever area is possible, and then we'll come back. We'll see you guys then. So this is the pedal boat where we can need to pedal here, and we have a handle which decides the direction, which side to go and so on. So you can use this to steer, and this is kind of an accelerator. Stop it, it's a brake. Pretty simple. We're planning to go under the bridge there. Far away you can see the bridge. So we'll go there. We have about an hour, so let's see. A lot of stones. Oh man, it's cool. ಮಂಡ ಕೇರು it's a specific area for all the birds there. I can see a lot of feathers. So Malu is the driver of this boat now. See whether it's catching a fish or something. Phew. There you go, there you go. Guys, we are near the bridge. It looks like there are some barricades. We cannot go after that. I can see swan's legs very clearly in this. Oh, the legs. Oh yeah, they are legs. Okay, I never knew the legs would be floating out. Uh-huh. So this is the bridge which we saw from the, like initially I showed you this bridge. We targeted this bridge and we cannot go after this. It's kind of barricaded, so we may have to go back after this.
We don't have anything, Baba.
Or somebody is giving food there. That's why everything has gone to that end. Guys swimming all the way on to go for the food. People are doing yoga. That's nice. ദേഷ്യത്തില
So we are kind done with the Hyde Park walk. We did pedaling, and now we just went around the park a little bit, and now we are like going. Yeah, it was nice. It was very sunny. For the first time, I think we drank like 2 to 3 bottles of water, but yeah, it was nice.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye.